Welcome! Today I'm going to make some British scones, which, unlike the triangular American ones, are round and contain no egg. To begin, preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Get yourself a mixing bowl and weigh about 250 grams of flour or 2 cups of flour into it. Add to this mixture a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, ,50 grams or about, let's say, 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and finally 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of milk. Knead everything together till it is a nice consistent dough. After a few minutes, your dough should come together in a nice, not so sticky ball. When your dough is ready, add some flour to a workspace. The flour helps against the stickiness. And add your dough to it. Together with some flour, we're now going to roll it out to a nice thin sheet of dough. You want a sheet about a finger thick, sort of, little less. When your dough has been rolled, you want either a cutting shape or a glass to make round cutouts from your dough. Place your cutouts on a baking sheet and bake for 12 minutes in the oven. Scones are often served with jam or cream. If you're feeling wild, you can also add raisins to the dough or even chocolate powder. And of course, it is served with a little bit of tea. And there they are, scones. I'm using strawberry jam for my scones. You can of course add other types of jams or clotted cream, which is traditional for English scones. They are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and sweet from the jam, which is well needed because scones on their own do not have a very strong flavor, but they have a very nice texture. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.